Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a temp report from my buddy Frank in Florida on his Anytone Quad 6. Frank got it ready to go for you, bud. Tuning alignment on this one. We got it set up to drive your amplifier. Let's start with the RF power all the way down, okay? 50 watt slug. There's 2 watts all the way down. Let's roll it all the way up. 20. So if you're barefooted, you'll run it wide open. If you're going to run that amp, start with it all the way down on 2 watts, which is plenty low. Show you average power swing. Hello, 50 bird, 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, puts that 100 watt in the corner. All right, Frank, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it once again from your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.